Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve this question, which is a plus 1 over a equals 6, and we have to find the value of a minus 1 over a. So let's start it. We have given a plus 1 over a is equal to 6, and we have to find the value of a minus 1 over a, right? So square both sides. Okay, you will get a square plus b square, sorry, 1 over a square minus 2. Okay, here we don't have the value of a square plus 1 over a square, but we can find this value from here. Okay, if you square both sides, from here you will get a square plus 1 over a square plus 2 is equal to 6 square equals 36. Now shift plus 2 to the right side, it will become negative, so you will be left with 34, which is the value of a square plus 1 over a square. You can put this value over here. 34 minus 2, 34 minus 2 equal to 32. So this is the value of a minus 1 over a whole square. But you have to find the value of a minus 1 over a. So we have to get rid of this square sign, which could be done by taking under root on both sides. So it will cancel with this one. We will be left with 1 minus 1 over a equal to 32 under the root. We can write 32 as 16 cross 2. Under root of 16 is 4, and 2 will be within under root sign. So this is the value of a minus 1 over a. Okay, if when you cancel this one, here plus minus will come. Okay, so you can put plus minus over here, plus minus over here. So this is the value of a minus 1 over a. I hope you like this video. If so, then please hit the like button, also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. See you in next video.